We're here working for the School of Arts and Crafts, Dimitar Ekimov, and we're here to help them create a strong foundation.
The first and foremost goal was to clear the areas so the future buildings or like ideas for growth here can actually be seen and visualized in the right way, because it was just a jungle before.
Много сме щастливи, че има такива хора, които ни помагат, защото откакто сме създали това училище, основно разчитаме на помощта на добрите хора, които да отворят сърцата си към нас.
So we're doing this for kids that come from tough backgrounds. They don't really have parents who can take care of them, or maybe they don't have the resources.
Yeah, we are doing all types of gardening and cutting trees, plowing the fields, digging like holes for tubes. Then we are carrying branches, doing heavy stuff, breaking our backs, but having tons of fun.
The end goal of this is to build a better space for the kids, and so they can have more space to have different activities and more buildings.
Doing the work that they're doing now and having so many passionate volunteers helping out is a benefit for us, because then we can get so much more work done.
We don't get paid for this, it's a service. I was feeling so much gratitude towards this opportunity and just this joy of being able to help the kids who didn't have these facilities growing up. And it feels so much joy.
I think that when we serve, we forget ourselves, we forget our problems.
It gets tiring during the day, but then I think like I need a nap, but I actually don't.
It has been a lot of sun, so much heat.
My heart opened up to the children here.
А пък ние смятам, че като по някакво чудо дошло отгоре, оцелявам благодарение именно на тези хора, които са научили за нас, които са припознали каузата и които дават от себе си, за да може да ни има.